What is going on, guys? Shrey here from Shrey's Tech Tips, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create numbered folders in Windows using CMD. So you can create folders something like test 1, test 2, test 3, all the way up to any number you want, and using any increment you want. So you can start from test 0 and go all the way up to test 22 by going an increment of 11. So you can do test 0, test 11, and test 22. It's a really versatile tool. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to use it. Let's jump right into the tutorial. So first of all, you want to head over to your start menu, and you want to type in CMD, and then you want to hit enter. And after you hit enter, you will see this command prompt pop up. And in this, you want to first of all go into your file explorer and go to the directory that you have the folder in. So in my case, it's in desktop and then test folder. So now in this top, it will show you this PC, desktop, and test folders. You want to click there and it will show you your directory. So you want to right click there and you want to hit copy. And now you want to close this, and here in this you want to type in CD, which means change directory, and then right click. And as you can see, it pops up the test folder. Now you want to hit enter and you want to wait, and then it will change your directory to the directory you just entered. So that's what we want. And now what you want to do is type in for space, and then you want to type in /L space %I space, and then you want to type in space and parentheses. And by the way, I'll be leaving this all down below so you can just copy this code and paste it in the command prompt by right clicking. So it's a really simple process. You can just change the numbers that you want to start and end with in the folder names. So after the parentheses, what you want to do is enter the first number you want to start with. So I'm going to start with 2, just to show you that this is a really versatile tool, and then comma. And then now this is the increment you want to increase by. Do you want to go in increments of 1, so 2, 3, 4, 5, or you want increments of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 3 is 5, 8, it keeps going like that. So in my case, I'm going to do 3 just to show you, and I'm going to end at 11. So I'll create around 4 or 3 folders. You want to close the parentheses. You want to hit space and then type do space MD, which means make directory, space, put a double quote, which is shift and the quotes key, and then you want to type in the folder name. So basically what you want to do to create the folder name, if you want to have the number first, wherever you're going to place the number is wherever you want to put %I. So if I want to have something that says test 1 test, then instead of where it's at 1, I want to have it like 2, 8, 5, 11, then you can put in %I wherever the numbers were going to go, and put in test again. So that means that that's the %I stands in the place of the number. That's a very simple way to explain it. Then you want to close the quotes, and you want to hit enter. And now you can see this folder is populated with a bunch of test files. Now let's say you accidentally created a bunch of files. I know there's an easy way to do it just by going to that folder, Control A, and then right click, and then, Control A, then right click on any folder, and then delete them. But if you haven't closed command prompt, I'll quickly show you another way of deleting folders really quick. And be careful with this, because if you delete any system files, if you're in command prompt administrator mode, then you can mess up your system. So do this at your own risk, and only delete files that you know are the files you want to delete, because you might delete a bunch of wrong files and it might corrupt your system. But anyways, what you want to do is hit the up arrow. If you already had that same prompt open and you didn't open a new one, but if you already closed your command prompt, then you want to type in the same command that I have down below and don't hit enter. And in your case, you just want to replace the numbers, but where it says do MD, you want to replace that with do RD, which means remove directory. So it's basically deleting all those things you created, and this will not go to the recycle bin. This will be deleted off your computer permanently. So be careful of what actions you take. But after you've typed in RD, just hit enter, and as you can see here, all the folders are gone. So this was a quick tutorial on how to create numbered folders in Windows using CMD really fast. If you want a tutorial on how to do the same thing using a Mac, hit that like button and subscribe, and hit that bell button right next to the subscribe button so you can be the first to get notifications when I post a video. This was Shrey's Tech Tips. Have a great day.